Avoid these mistakes when starting from scratch. Starting a business from scratch can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, I'm going to reveal the most common mistakes entrepreneurs make when starting out and how you can avoid them to increase your chances of success from day one. Whether you're just starting or thinking about it, these mistakes can cost you time, money, and energy. Stay with me till the end, because I'm sharing practical solutions to help you avoid these pitfalls and start strong. One of the biggest mistakes I made when starting my business was not having a clear vision. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of entrepreneurship, but without a solid purpose or direction, it's easy to lose focus. Know your who before you start. Are you solving a problem? What's the ultimate goal? When you define your vision early, every decision becomes clearer. Another critical mistake is not researching your market. Too many entrepreneurs think they know what their customers want without validating it. You need to know your audience. What do they need? What are their pain points? Invest time in research, whether it's talking to potential customers, analyzing competitors, or studying market trends. This is key to ensuring that your product or service will actually sell. Many new entrepreneurs make the mistake of thinking profit is the same as cash flow. But you can have a profitable business and still run out of money. Cash flow management is essential. Keep track of incoming and outgoing funds, set aside reserves for taxes, and don't spend beyond your means. Without proper cash flow management, you're setting yourself up for disaster. When starting out, it can be tempting to wear every hat: marketing, finance, customer service. But the truth is, you can't do it all and expect to succeed. Delegate. Hire freelancers, use automation tools, and outsource tasks that aren't your strength. As your business grows, you'll need a team to help carry the load. Start early, even if it's just small tasks. Here's a big one: focusing on perfection instead of progress. If you wait for everything to be perfect, you'll never launch. I made this mistake myself, endlessly perfecting my product and never getting it to market. Launch imperfectly and improve along the way. The feedback you get from real customers will always be better than the ideas in your head. Marketing is not something you should think about once your product is ready. Start marketing and building your audience early. Use platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or LinkedIn to create content that showcases your expertise and builds trust. People need to know you exist before they're willing to buy from you. The earlier you start, the more traction you'll get when your product is ready. Starting a business is a lonely journey, but you don't have to go it alone. I made the mistake of not seeking enough feedback or mentorship early on. Find a mentor who has been there before, and seek feedback from your customers. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Learn from those who've already succeeded, and use their advice to avoid common mistakes and accelerate your growth. Starting from scratch doesn't mean you have to make these mistakes. Avoiding these pitfalls can save you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. If you're ready to build a successful business without the setbacks, hit that like button, comment below with your own business struggles, and subscribe for more tips on how to start and grow your business the right way.